Did you know the closest planet to the Sun is more like an extreme roller coaster than a scorching desert? Welcome to Mercury, a world of icy craters, violent magnetic tornadoes, and daytime temperatures hotter than lava. You might think you know Mercury, but stick around, because we're diving into its deepest secrets, fresh from the latest space missions. In this video, we're going on a journey to Mercury, the fastest and smallest planet in our solar system. We'll explore its crazy temperature swings, bizarre orbit, magnetic mysteries, and the cutting-edge discoveries from NASA's MESSENGER and ESA JAXA's BPICA-LUMBO. Why? Because if Earth teaches us about life, Mercury teaches us about extremes, and that helps us understand how planets, and perhaps life, can form elsewhere. Let's launch into it. Mercury is the first planet from the Sun, the smallest in our solar system at about 4,880 kilometers across, just slightly larger than our Moon. It has no moons or rings, but don't let its modest size fool you. Mercury is dense and packed with surprises. Daytime temperatures can reach a blistering 430 degrees Celsius (800 degrees Fahrenheit), yet when night falls, it plunges to -180 degrees Celsius (-290 degrees Fahrenheit), a swing of around 600 degrees Celsius. Without a substantial atmosphere or oceans to retain heat, Mercury is like a cosmic frying pan in daylight and a cryogenic freezer at night. Mercury orbits the Sun every 88 Earth days at lightning speeds, almost 48 kilometers per second. Its orbit is highly eccentric, swinging from 46 to 70 million kilometers from the Sun. And here's a fun twist: Mercury rotates 3 times for every 2 orbits, what astronomers call a 3:2 spin-orbit resonance. This causes weird double sunsets near dawn and dusk. Although Mercury bakes under the Sun, it also hides ice in deep, permanently shadowed craters at its poles. MESSENGER data confirmed this water ice shielded by carbon-rich materials, even at -280 degrees Fahrenheit. Imagine ice and scorching heat coexisting just a few kilometers apart. Mercury's core is massive, about 75% of its radius, far larger than any other planet's. Even more astonishing, Mercury has a global magnetic field, about 1% as strong as Earth's. That field is stable and can even generate magnetic tornadoes, twisters of charged particles that stretch off the surface. Mercury's surface is heavily cratered and scarred with tectonic lobate scarps, giant cliffs formed as the planet cooled and contracted. The Caloris Basin alone is massive, about 1,550 kilometers across. There are even signs of volcanic vents and shield volcanoes. Mercury lacks a thick atmosphere, but it does have a tenuous exosphere made of sodium, potassium, and other metals. Solar wind and micrometeorids liberate these particles from the surface, forming a fainter atmosphere and even glowing sodium tails millions of miles long. Mercury's first visitor was Mariner 10, flying by 3 times in the 1970s, revealing craters and magnetic fields. MESSENGER orbited from 2011 to 2015, mapping the entire surface, discovering ice, measuring the core and magnetosphere, and even recording X-ray auroras. Launched in October 2018 by ESA and JAXA, BPICA-LUMBO is heading to Mercury with 2 orbiters, the Planetary Orbiter, MPO, and Magnetospheric Orbiter, MIO. After 6 flybys, including the most recent on the 8th of January, 2025, it will enter orbit in late 2026. BPICA-LUMBO's flybys have returned incredible mid-infrared and visible images of volcanic plains and impact craters. We now see the night-side terminator, crater shadows at the poles, and hints of subsurface ice there too. Infrared data is uncovering new geologic details and hidden volcanic features. Still unanswered are questions about Mercury's iron-rich but volatile-rich surface composition, the dynamics of its magnetosphere under solar wind influence, and how the exosphere regenerates. BPICA-LUMBO's orbiter phase, 2026 to 2028, aims to answer them with precise measurements. We've just explored Mercury's wild world, from freezing ice in sunny craters to magnetic tornadoes, from Mariner 10's first snapshots to BPICA-LUMBO's 2025 flyby images. Even though it's small, Mercury packs a cosmic punch and a massive core, volatile metals, and extremes that challenge our understanding of planet formation. Here's the TLDR. Mercury is the solar system's smallest planet, yet extremely dense. Its day-night temperature swings are over 600 degrees Celsius. Despite proximity to the Sun, polar ice and hidden water exist. Mercury's magnetic field and solar wind interactions create space weather rarely seen elsewhere. After Mariner 10 and Messenger, Bepicolombo is delivering brand new insights and will orbit in 2026. If you enjoyed this journey to the Sun's edge, smash that like button, subscribe for more planetary deep dives, and hit the notification bell. Got a question about Mercury, or want to see a video on Venus or Mars next? Drop a comment below. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic cruise. See you next time as we explore more wonders of our solar system.